What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to break down an incredibly easy method you can use to start to make daily high-ticket affiliate commissions. Now, you can see on the screen right here that this was actually a $2,000 commission that I was able to generate recently. Now, it's not just me that's actually able to use this exact formula and see results. You can see this person right here, Joshua Adams, was able to make a $2,000 commission just using what I'm about to share with you. You can also see Gerald right here. Okay, he was able to make a $1,200 commission. And again, a lot of these people inside of this Facebook group that are getting tremendous results are actually brand new. Okay, you can see this person, Vanessa, a $2,000 commission. So again, what I'm going to share with you is exactly what we're all doing to generate these consistent high ticket commissions. And I want to break that down for you right now. Okay, now before I dive into exactly how this works, I'll share that there's actually a more in-depth free training. I'm going to include a link directly below. You can go ahead and register for that, and you can see much more in-depth, step-by-step training on exactly how to apply what I'm about to share. Now I want to go to an online whiteboard, and I want to break down the problems most people have when they do affiliate marketing, and then how you can actually solve that to do the best formula to get results as fast as possible. So you can see on the screen right here, this is the basic method most beginner affiliate marketers do. Okay, now I was actually stuck in this method for a very long time, and that's why my income was incredibly low for such months. Now you can see right here, so most people, what they're doing is they're going online and they're trying to get traffic, okay, which is good. You need traffic. So they'll go to Facebook, they'll go to Twitter, they'll go to TikTok, YouTube, and they'll try to create content, right? They'll post, or maybe they're trying to direct message people. You're trying to get people interested in whatever product you're actually promoting as an affiliate marketer. Now, what most people do, beginner affiliate marketers, they'll get some interest and then they'll send people directly to their affiliate link, which is a sales page, okay? Now, this is a problem because most people on average do not buy right away. So if you're sending people directly to a sales page, expecting them to pull out a credit card and buy right away, you're leaving stacks and stacks of money on the table. Now, not only is that a major problem because maybe 1 out of 100 people are actually going to buy instantly. So you're leaving 99% of the people just, not buying from you. But if you promote low ticket affiliate offers, okay, you're going to get incredibly low payouts. So you could get a $25 commission, a $50 commission, a $100 commission, right? And why is that a problem? Well, if you have a goal of, let's say, $10,000 a month that you want to make, and you're promoting a product that pays you $100 per commission, I mean, you need a massive amount of sales every single month, right? So this is the basic method. Like I said, I got started with this. You may be still stuck in this way, and you actually found this video because you're open to high ticket affiliate marketing. Stick with me in this video because I'm going to break down, again, the powerful model that you want to use when you do affiliate marketing that's high ticket, okay? So then people, they get a little bit better. Okay, this is a little bit better when it comes to low ticket affiliate marketing. They're still promoting products that pay them very little, but now what they're doing is rather than sending people directly to the sales page, okay, which again, like I said, most people will not buy right away. Now they're putting a capture page, a page that collects your prospect's email address. Okay, it often has like a headline and a box for their email. Now they're putting that before the affiliate sales page. Okay, now this is a lot better. Why? Well, because again, when you get traffic and you're sending people to a capture page, a good percentage of those people are going to put their email in if it's a good capture page. And now they're added to your email list, okay, which is just a list of people that you have their email address. And what you can do with certain softwares online, very affordable softwares, one of them being Aweber or GetResponse, you can actually collect these emails, send one email to everyone on your list, and you can use these emails to send them back to your sales page. It takes on average at least 7 exposures for someone to make a buying decision. So by constantly sending people back to the sales page, your sales are going to dramatically increase and you're going to make a lot more money. Now, you're still going to make a very low amount of money compared to what you could be making because it's going to take a massive amount of sales every single day, every single week to hit your income goals, okay? But this is a little bit better. Again, just doing this, you can 10x the amount of sales you're getting, okay? So this is really good. Now, and this is where this may be where you're at now, Maybe you've been doing this for a while, okay? You've been making some sales, but you're not making the amount of money you want, okay? You're not making that maybe $10,000, $30,000 a month income that you may be wanting. This is when people turn to high ticket affiliate marketing. This was the turning point for me, right? I realized, hey, if I can promote a product that pays me $1,000 per commission, and I only make a few of those a week, I'm making some pretty good income, right? And a lot of people think that high ticket affiliate marketing is actually harder. They think it's harder to sell a product that, costs more. But actually, it's just the same work. You're just, as an affiliate marketer, getting some traffic and referring people to a working sales process. They're doing the sales for you. And if you attract the right people, people that have money, people that are in top tier countries, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, if you attract those people and then you send them to a high ticket offer, then you can make sales very easily, okay? Now, why is this much better but still not perfect? Well, it's much better because, again, you're capturing their email, you're following up, you're sending them to a sales page, and that sales page is going to sell them on a high ticket offer. So it's better because you're going to make a lot more money per sale. You need a lot less sales, but it's still not perfect, okay? Because a lot of people, especially when it's a $1,000, $5,000 investment, they're not just going to buy just from a sales video, okay? Because they can click off the video, they have their lives, they have their kids, possibly they're working a job. So what is the ultimate way to really do high ticket affiliate marketing in this year and these coming years? This is the best way, okay? What you want to do is, again, you always are getting traffic, okay? Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. You can look at my YouTube channel. I have a lot of different tutorials and trainings on traffic methods. Also, the link below, that free in-depth training, is going to reveal some powerful traffic methods. You want to send them to a capture page. You always want to collect their email, okay, their information, so you can follow up. They're going to get added to your email list, okay? You're going to follow up their email, sending them to a sales video. But rather than this button going to an order form, what it's going to do is it's going to go to a call booking page. Now, what is this? This is a page where your prospect will actually book a phone call with a sales team, okay? And then what happens is your prospect will actually get on the phone with the sales team that's a part of the affiliate program you're promoting, and they will actually talk to your prospects, find out their struggles, find out their goals, and then present the opportunity to that person for you, okay? You don't have to get on the phone yourself. You can put down the phone, pick up the paycheck, right? So why is this so much more powerful? Why will this make you 10x the money? Why will this make you way more high ticket affiliate sales? Because, again, like I said, most people, if they see a sales video, they can easily just click off, right? They're not locked in. But when they're talking to a person on the phone and that person is dealing with their goals, their dreams, their aspirations, they're going to be able to overcome their objections. It's very rare that someone's going to hang up when they're talking to someone, right? Unless, they make them mad or stuff like that. So you have a dramatically higher chance of actually selling the person on a high ticket sale. Now, what's the great news? Because you may be watching this, you may be thinking, Garrett, this makes incredible sense. I understand that if I get traffic and do this process, I probably will make some pretty darn good commissions. But how do I find a high ticket affiliate program that has a sales team, that has capture pages for me, that has maybe even follow-up emails that I don't have to do it myself, and that maybe even has training on how to get powerful, incredibly high quality traffic, even if you're brand new and have no following? Well, that's why, again, I want to invite you to the link below. When you go to that page and you put your email in, you're going to find out how to access that free training. Now, it's a free webinar, okay? It's about 2 hours. I want you to pay close attention to that entire webinar. You're going to learn exactly how to get access to an affiliate program that does this for you. You're going to be able to access training on how to get traffic and way more, okay? So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, you want me to make more, click the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon if you're watching this on YouTube. I'm going to be making weekly videos. And again, be sure to check out the free training while it's still available. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.